Hey y'all, today we are building an ArkieCuterie. Here we go. Okay, so we've lined our board to protect the wood. We've put pistachios and manchego on those two corners. And then we've got green garnishes over here. Added some red grapes, some strawberries, and some blueberries. How about some cucumber spears and some grape tomatoes with a container of ranch for dipping, surrounding that beautiful green goddess. Look at those beautiful salami roses snuggled up against those grapes. Added some pickled okra right here on this corner, and then came in with some chunks of summer sausage to fill that in. It's coming together beautifully. Okay, y'all, we added some beautiful Colby Jack cheese, couple locations, and some pimento stuffed green olives. Just a little more to go. Alrighty, y'all, we added a few almonds and some white chocolate chips to finish off this board. There's ArkieCuterie.